Hey guys, I am Kyle, and in today's video I'm going to show you how to buy a Shein gift card on Shein app. So let's get started. So here we are in Shein, and from here what we're gonna do is that we are gonna tap on the Me button on the bottom right of our screen. So tap on that. And then from here we would be able to see gift card on the top right here. So you wanna tap on gift card right here. And then from here you would be able to see the gift cards available for you to purchase. So you can just choose what kind of gift card that you want and also the amount that you would like to buy. So for example, I would like to buy this Chinese New Year gift card. So I'm gonna tap on this one. And then from here, you would be able to select a design on what design you would want it to be. And then you can select the amount right here. And as you can see, you will be spending less with a gift card right here. 20,000 is basically just 18,000 with a price right here. And then you can also enter the recipient email address if you would want to give this already to that person, and then your name right here so that they would be able to know that it is from you. And of course, you can also send a message right here. You can put a message, but it is only limited to 250 characters. And then once you're done with this one, all you have to do now is agree to the terms right here. And then you want to proceed to check out right here, but we don't have these we need to fill this up first, so I'm just gonna go put random, and then you want to go tap on confirm. And then from here you would be able to pay using the credit card or debit or the PayPal one right here. So depending on your region, you might have different payment methods, so you might want to take note of that. So that is basically it for this video. I hope this video helped you out. Thank you for watching.